Clubhouse is one of the most hyped social media platform of 2021. But what is it and how come it became so famous in a very short span of time? Or should you sign up for it? I get you covered. Lately, there have been a lot of social media startups which come and go, but Clubhouse got some real traction, like some real traffic, and it is not like a lot of platforms like Facebook and Instagram, which take a lot of time to grow and to get in between the people. But from the very beginning, Clubhouse got some real traction. A lot of people have talked about Clubhouse, like Gary Vaynerchuk in one of his video, where he talked about how Clubhouse is gonna be social boom like all other social media platforms.
Clubhouse is wildly underrated because most people don't know about the app yet, and the voice format. I'm very fond of Clubhouse, the app. It replicates real life. What if like 20 people got together, 8 people, 7 people got together at a dinner table and just shot the shit, and then everybody got to listen to it. It makes sense why it's working. I love the audio platform. I think a year from today, a lot more people will be on it.
You can think of Clubhouse as a live podcasting platform where there are a lot of people who gather around at a one place in a one club, and all of them have different set of opinions. I can get a new perspective and new insight on what is going and what I can do on that specific topic. Here you can get a lot of opportunities to talk to really big people, like a big influencers out there. Personally, I love this app a lot, not just because it has a good user interface, but I can talk to a lot of big people, a lot of big influencers out there directly. And you know what's the best part? Come here. If you got lucky and angels are by your side, you can talk to them directly. But this is not the only scenario. Here you can also host your clubs or create your clubs and build a community around you if you are so much passionate about certain topics which you want to really talk about and you feel that you got specialty in that topic. So what is so special about Clubhouse? Let's talk about it. Clubhouse is an audio-based platform, and in this social media world for last 2 or 3 years, the audio-based platforms took a huge surge in the social media industry. Like YouTube has launched its new feature where you can switch off the screen and you can listen to the video at the same time. At the same time, Spotify has become one of the most popular podcasting app where you can find any podcast out there. And what's the benefit of podcast is, let's say you don't have to waste your time anymore in watching videos. Suppose you are going to office and you just got stuck in the traffic. Instead of wasting your time in the traffic, now you can just switch on the podcast on your radio or on your earphones or any place out there, and you can just grab the knowledge right straight away. But how come Clubhouse managed to gain so much traction and being able to gain a popularity so much in a very short span of time? Here I have a couple of pointers to explain you why it happened and what are the strategies that Clubhouse used to gain so much of popularity and gain so much traffic in a very short span of time. Let's dive into the first point directly. Clubhouse is an invite-only platform which increases the exclusivity of that platform. You need invitation from someone else in order to create your account, and then only you will be able to go on to Clubhouse and start using that app. Think of Clubhouse as a real-world club membership where you are just getting the invitation from your friends and now you can sign up. But the best part of Clubhouse is that they aren't sexist until and unless you are super rich or super famous. Second of all of the big businessmen and celebs are coming live on this platform and hanging around there for a while, and sometimes if you got lucky you can also get the chance to talk to them and you can ask them your personal questions. But this isn't how the Clubhouse was before. Clubhouse was a very tiny community of venture capitalists where they guys just hanging around and talking about their shit. If you are resonating with the points I'm sharing with you, make sure you hit the like button and hit that naughty red subscribe button. And let's move further on the final point, which is, in my perspective, it is replacing the conference calls where I'm just talking with my friends and sharing my ideas. But at the same time, I'm thinking it is gonna be so amazing if I can talk to my friends at the same time. I can share this idea with all around the world and I can have an audience who can listen to our talk, which can really get benefit from this thing. And at the same time, if they also have some insight about my certain situation or our certain situation, they can also share, which can mutually be effective at the same time. Now question arises that should you sign up for it or not? Hell yeah, why not? Let's say you are a very big fan of Gary Vee or Russell Brunson or Elon Musk or Mia Khalifa might be. I think that Clubhouse isn't that advanced right now, right? Possibly might be. But yeah, my point is that you don't know when you get lucky and angels are by your side. So why don't you try your luck and get on the app? And if you got lucky, make sure you share your luck with us in the comment section below. That's all from my side, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until next time.